friends. Let's go harvest some yummy carrots.
Wait! Harvesting by hand is too slow. I want a bunny excavator.
Great idea, Superboy. Let's draw a yellow excavator with a cute white bunny. Look, a white bunny vector for our machine.
It's glowing!
1, 2, 3, magic!
Ah!
Stop it, Monkey Bandit! That's not how we harvest!
Paint girl. Help! The monkey is destroying the carrots with your machine.
Magic brush. Create a sticky wall.
Gotcha! No more running, Monkey Bandit!
You must write an apology and help Farmer Ben fix everything.
Teamwork makes the farm beautiful again! Great job, Monkey Bandit! Now you're a real helper!
Yummy carrots for everyone.
Chatter!
Be kind and always help your friends. Goodbye, everyone! Did you like our bunny excavator? Hit like and subscribe to Busy Vehicles Kids for more magic. See you next time!
Bye-bye!